Hello, everyone. This is Rob Capellini, the director of VLab. And I wanted to quickly review with you our fixed income analysis in VLab. Unlike most sections of VLab, where we have a welcome and analysis page, on our fixed income page, since we only have one model, we only have one page. So clicking on fixed income analysis from the analyses dropdown will take you straight to our analysis page. Also, if you'd prefer to use the search bar, selecting fixed income analysis and clicking go will take you to that same page. This page shows our forecast of US interest rates using the Engel, Siri-Wardain, and Russell A interest rate model. As you can see, the analysis was last updated on Tuesday, October 12th. Here we plot either the yields or the forward curves for the US interest rates. You can also select a different date to display by either clicking on the left and right arrows, or clicking on the date itself will show you a date picker tool in which you can select a specific month to view. The term structure forecast chart shows our forecast of the term structure of US interest rates for a given forecast horizon. By default, we show interest rate forecasts 5 days ahead. However, using this slider, you can choose a different interval to view, up to 1,260 days ahead. Hovering over each time period in the term structure shows our forecast of the interest rate as well as an upper and lower confidence band. Hovering over each maturity in the term structure shows our forecast for that given forecast interval for the interest rate, as well as an upper and lower confidence band. Below the term structure forecast chart, we also display our forecast for a single maturity. You can choose which maturity to view by selecting it in the maturity dropdown. Hovering over the chart will show you our forecast of that maturity's interest rate, both the median forecast and also the 95% and 5% confidence intervals